All right, everyone, welcome back. Like, share, and subscribe. We're on to a head. So I have some soap and water down on here right now. Let's see if I can't get you a little viewage. So we're gonna hit this with 2,000 since they aren't so bad. These are dirty. Doity. I want to make sure that is 2,000. 2,000. I was going to manually do it, but I think I'm just going to do it like this. I'm going to get all the yellow, car wash, road debris, sap, wax, everything else that was on here. So Rachel said, well, what are we charging for headlight restorations now in 2025? And I said, well, a half hour's labor for easy ones is what I want to charge now to do these. So this really wasn't that bad. There's several methods you could do out there. And since these weren't so bad, I'm going to do them by hand. This side was really yellow. This has 150,000 miles worth of wear on the plastic. It is going to be very hard to get these to look like brand new. The reason I say that is because the inside of the lenses get dirt and debris in them too, and we're not breaking these things down like that.
Scrub it up, I like to rub now.
Scrub a tub, 3 men in the tub. Did you ever hear that one before?
Yeah, do you want to see a picture of it too?
No, I don't.
I booked a while.
Is that like the Skoggy Boys or whatever that was?
This summer when I started here and I had some money, I rented.
You had plenty of money.
Oh, the first year I started here, when I was making 10 an hour, like a fucking cheap skunk.
That was what minimum. That was what minimum wage was back in the day.
$9.25. I know, but I rented a house for like $1,800 for a week in Wildwood. Everybody came up.
You know you're interrupting my video.
Oh, you're in a video? I'm talking about 3 dudes that jumped in a hot tub together, and I got a picture of it. I walked into my master bath. I said, "What the hell is going on in here?"
Rach.
They're all just in there with their fruity cocktails, and I'm like, "What the heck?"
There's only 2 genders now.
They had bathing suits on, but like still, it was hilarious because you wouldn't know they had bathing suits on. So the picture is like fantastic.
And that's some pitch perfect weird stuff when all the guys were in the.
Such good blackmail.
They were all the guys were packed into the hot tub like a bunch of sardines.
Yep.
Weirdos.
Me and the girls are downstairs just eating, cooking, drinking. I go up to use the bathroom. I said, "What is going on in here?"
Yeah, you know
that's something to walk into.
Yeah. You knew what was going on.
But anyway, so we got it.
This is your parties?
This is hysterical. And wait, but they didn't even hide for the picture. They all smiled.
Of course they did. You ever watch the Eddie Murphy one? And he's sitting in the hot tub and they were making bubbles. That's a little before your time.
Oh, Anthony,
I might be a little too before my time.
The sway bar in the Lexus failed.
Where did I get that piece from?
That I rebuilt and made.
Yeah.
So I got Heim joints for they sell a Heim joint kit or a big block alternator bracket that you can adjust.
Uh-huh.
And I'm going to use those as the links.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
If it's just a clamp, how much would you want?
25 for a new clampage. New jet clampage.
Okay. I'm like looking at them like they're the same color, almost. Mileage is like 4,000 apart.
Yeah, it's the same. It's basically the same car.
It literally is.
All right, so we're looking good here. So circles definitely helps depending on how bad the lens is, but just to get through the surface here. Kind of get the idea. I was going to use the power tool, just didn't feel like doing it. Plus it's so noisy. And the longer you spend on these, the better they will come out. I'm making a video. I'm making a video.
He's crazy. He talks to himself.
I'm on the video. Alright, and then we're going to hit this with some compound. We're going to hit it with a heavy cut, and then we're going to hit it with a final cut, and then I'll polish it last. So
This needs oil. This has oil.
we're going to do a little heavy cut first, and then I'll hit it with a final cut. You don't want to put too much on, because it just makes a giant mess. So one towel to wipe off your stuff. And another towel to get any residue off. And I'm just going to show you this. I'm not going to finish the video. Boom. So once I do this whole headlight with heavy cut, final cut, and then a polish, it'll look amazing all the way through. Thanks for watching.